Okay, so how can we move files and folders between the host operating system and the guest operating system? One of the simplest ways to do this is by enabling a drag and drop on the guest virtual machine. So I'm going to hit Control and Home key, and I'm going to go into Settings. Here where it says General, I'm going to click on Advanced. And notice here that in Advanced I have a shared clipboard, which allows me to copy text from the host to the guest operating system, and also allows me to drag and drop files and directories from the host to the guest operating system. By default, these two are disabled, so I'm going to go ahead and enable bidirectional for copy and bidirectional for copying text and bidirectional for drag and drops. So I'm going to go ahead and click OK. So at this point, I should be able to drag any file and copy into the desktop. Okay. And the same goes with text. So I have a file right now open on my host operating system. So I'm going to say hello world. I'm going to highlight everything. Control C. Actually, I'm going to right click and copy and going to go inside the virtual machine. And I should be able to paste the text inside the document. And the other way that I wanted to show you how to transfer files between the host operating system and the guest is by using share folders. So let's say that I have a directory that I want to be able to share with my virtual machine. I want the content, for example, of this directory to be available to my virtual machine. Right now, this share folder contains a hello world document. And so what I'm going to do, I'm going to access the settings of my virtual machine. And then I'm going to click on settings. And here I'm going to click on share folders. Next, I'm going to click on the plus sign. And I'm going to click on the drop down menu, click on others. And I'm going to navigate to the location of the share folder, which is this one here. I'm going to click select folder. For the name, I'm going to leave it as share. I want the folder to be read-only. That means that the user inside the guest operating system will not be able to make any changes. And I want it to be auto mount. So I'm going to enable this too. And now I need to enter the mount point. The mount point, I'm going to use the UNC path, which is / bbox dash svr / share. Okay. And I'm going to select make permanent. I'm going to click OK. Click OK. Now I'm going to head back inside my virtual machine and I'm going to open the file manager. I want to click on this PC and notice that the share is now available here. So if I click on it, I have the hello world available to me here.